Hi, this is Carl. Hopefully when you see this, I'll have this banner replaced with my new one. But for the meantime, let's go with this one. I'm going to be doing a review today from something I bought at Lowe's and it's sold by Craftsman. So if you're interested, I'd appreciate it if you stick around, give me a thumbs up, and give me a comment below. I do appreciate you watching. Okay, here's the Craftsman containers I got at Lowe's. And it came in a 2-pack, which is pretty nice. It says on the front it has 15 compartments. 17 3/8 by 3.5 by 13 inches. So let's go ahead and pop this one open and see what we have here. There we go. Now, first thing I noticed on this is, of course, the size of it. But if you look on the side, right here, you can see where they clamp onto each other. So I'm going to turn this one over, unclamp this one. You have two different cases. And then you can just take these right here and just fold it over. I did not realize it did this when I first bought it, so I might go back and get more just because they clamp together. Let me clamp those together and there you go. Move them together at one time. Pretty nice, I like that. Okay, let's take these apart again. Okay, molded top. In it, you see the top has these different lines right here which will hold these dividers in place, so nothing will be able to transfer from one section to the other, which is a big plus. Now these red ones right here on the side, let's go like this. There's two red ones on the side. They don't go all the way to the top for some reason, but we'll work our way around that, and we're going to add these other dividers right here. See what we have here. I do like this one. This one, since it's larger than my other case I carry my GoPros in, I might switch them to this one. So it looks like the GoPro camera fit quite nice in there. I do have 7 GoPros, so I might have to put 2, 4, 6, 7 or 2, 4, whatever, it doesn't matter. But anyway, since these do lock into each other, that is a huge bonus for me. Let me show that again. I'll just take the second one. There you go. And I'll just take this handle right here, flip it up. Same on the other side. Flip it up. There you go. Got 2 of these. Now I do like these containers a lot. In fact, I like them so much I might go back and get 2 more if they have any left. Anyway, I'm sure you'll find a use for these in your house. My name's Carl, and I do appreciate you checking out my video, and I appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching.